Welcome to Wow Auto Car. Today, we're diving into the latest developments surrounding Tesla's highly anticipated 2026 Model Q, a compact electric vehicle poised to redefine affordability and innovation in the EV market. Tesla's next-generation vehicle platform, often referred to as the Model Q, represents a significant leap in the company's mission to produce more accessible electric cars. This new platform is designed to support higher production volumes than its predecessors, aiming to make electric vehicles mainstream. Recent reports indicate that the Model Q will be a smaller, more affordable version of the Model Y SUV. Sources within Tesla suggest that this compact SUV will be approximately 20% less expensive to produce than the current Model Y, thanks to advancements in manufacturing and design efficiencies. One of the standout features of the Model Q is its anticipated price point. Tesla aims to position this vehicle below the Model 3, with pricing expected to start just under $30,000, factoring in federal tax credits. This strategy aligns with Tesla's goal to make electric vehicles more accessible to a broader audience. The Model Q is expected to feature a 53 kWh battery pack utilizing Tesla's lithium iron phosphate (LFP) cells. While specific performance metrics are yet to be confirmed, this configuration suggests a balance between range and affordability, making it an attractive option for urban commuters and small families. In terms of competition, the Model Q is set to enter a burgeoning market of compact electric SUVs. Notable competitors include the next-generation Chevrolet Bolt EUV, which is expected to start around $30,000 and offer improvements over its predecessor, such as an updated platform and enhanced features. Production of the Model Q is slated to commence in 2026, with manufacturing expected to take place in Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory. This aligns with Tesla's strategy to utilize existing production lines and infrastructure to streamline manufacturing processes and reduce costs. The Model Q is also expected to incorporate Tesla's advanced production concepts, including large single-unit castings, the unboxed process, a 48-volt architecture, and a structural battery pack utilizing 4,680 battery cells. These innovations are aimed at reducing manufacturing complexity and costs, further supporting Tesla's goal of delivering a high-quality, affordable electric vehicle. As we approach 2026, anticipation for the Tesla Model Q continues to build. With its blend of affordability, innovative design, and Tesla's commitment to sustainability, the Model Q is poised to make a significant impact on the electric vehicle market and bring us one step closer to a more sustainable future. Thank you for tuning into Wow Auto Car. Stay subscribed for more updates on the latest in automotive innovation.